we found 2 baby rabbits, but wait.
But they were killed.
Yeah, at her mom's house. Dang, that's shiny. It's shiny, okay. Okay, wait.
Oh, somebody lost. Well, at least there was something. A little bit of dust. Come here, AJ. Right here. There's a little bit of dust and like a dead spider. Right here. And so.
Wait, what's this rock right here? That's a cool rock. But okay.
Pretty much we're outside in nature. Back to look at nature.
Well, we're in our backyard, but okay.
A shell. Real clam.
Wait, there's some ripe tomatoes in here.
But they aren't red yet.
Huge.
Some are red, but some are green.
Yeah, come on, dude. Oh, Jordan, come here. Look at this flower. Dang, this flower. Look at that thing.
This is a weird flower. We haven't saw this one yet, so.
Okay, come on.
Let's go over here and look at these. Look at this one.
These flowers are huge.
Like,
see?
Fluffy.
It's bigger than my hand. Look at. It's bigger.
Not as
than
big as his head, but it's big. Show him your afro.
No, I'm doing that.